if fx equals to 1 by x, f2x equals to 1 minus x, f3 of x equals to 1 upon 1 minus x, then find j of x such that f2 of j of f1x equals to f3x. And the options are first is f1x, second is 1 by x, f3x, third is f3x, and fourth is f2x. So f2 of j of f1x equals to f3x. So putting the value of f1x, f2 of j of 1 by x equals to f3 equals to f3x equals to 1 upon 1 minus x. And solving this, now putting the value of f2x, that is 1 minus x. So here x is j of 1 by x. So we will put here 1 minus j of 1 by x equals to 1 minus x, and solving this equation we get j of 1 minus x equals to 1 minus 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus x, that will be x upon x minus 1. So j of x will be 1 upon 1 minus x, that is f of 3. So option will be answer option 3.